Hi, my name is Gail Hodgson. I'm an artist and designer. What I gain for sharing art as a healing practice is deep satisfaction in that I'm able to share my gifts with others, provide a really encouraging, safe atmosphere and space, come and play with my toys, my art supplies. And I just have such gratitude for joining and connecting with people that way. How I help people tap into their creativity even when they don't think they're artistic is by providing encouragement, really, the space, and making the mood playful. That's important because then the seriousness of, oh, I have to create a great work of art is gone. And I'm very encouraging, and I make sure that they know it's playful. And with a lot of the materials we use, especially acrylics, even if you make a mistake, you can just paint over it. Within a few minutes it dries. So it's really, it's just about making it light and playful. The transformation I often see in students after an art session is delight. I'm able to, I've designed projects specifically for this, and I'm able to provide just enough guidance that they're going to have a positive outcome for the project. But there's every layer that they're doing, or every step that they're doing, is them, and it's playfulness. And oftentimes I've had people, they were shocked at what they produced. But it was all through play and experimentation and using their favorite colors, and just enough guidance though. So that part helps too. Instead of just saying, hey, just do something, create something, but the guidance is important too. What advice I'd have for someone else considering getting into art is go for it. Really, well, first of all, go on YouTube. And you can see a lot of demos and stuff and get yourself, you almost have to build up some muscles, get yourself just experimenting, playing, follow what you come across that you are, or an idea or a concept that really excites you. That'll get you started. And then it provides a lot of energy and fire for continuing on. Thank you so much for joining me here today. Please subscribe and hit notifications so that you can see the videos coming out as we're making them.